Every night dream of you. Love the way you smile, love the way you wink. All I want now is you.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I decided that I was gonna do a week in my hair routine. Last time I did a week in my hair routine, my hair was blown out. So I wanted to do an updated video. By the way, these twists right here I had in my hair for an entire week, and don't really like to keep my twists in for that long, but we'll get more into why and all that stuff deeper into the video. I'm about to go ahead and hop in the shower and wash my twists out. This will be a really good video for you if you're trying to figure out what to do to your hair during the week, because I'm going to show you guys everything that I do to my hair during the week. And also this is going to be a good video for you for overall holistic healthy tips that you can use and habits that you can use in your weekly routine. I got my twist out. I did have some shedding. Let me show you guys the shedding that I had if you want to be curious. It wasn't much, but if you were curious. Now I'm just going to go ahead and pre-poo my hair. That with aloe vera. I'm literally just going to take aloe vera and put it on my hair. Drench my hair in that. It's gonna really help with the washing process. It also makes your hair super soft. And take my scrunchie, put that up, and take my scrunchie up like this for about 35 minutes, 40 minutes. And then once it's set in my hair for a little bit, I'm going to wash it out. Okay guys, so it is honestly the next day. I had to throw my hair up into a bun with the aloe vera in it, and then I went to sleep with that in my hair because yeah, I had to leave mid video. And then today I washed my hair and I was going to get on here and do my twist, but my fiance called me while he was out and he was like, hey, get ready, we're gonna go to dinner. So kind of been thrown off, but it's okay because it's still the beginning of the week. I had my hair in that bun because I just pretty much got in the shower and deep conditioned my hair. Started with a scalp detox, then cleansed my scalp. So the pre-poo was kind of like the reset for the hair. My main task was to clarify my scalp, get rid of any buildup that occurred from the first round of twists that I took out. Now we're gonna go ahead and start to actually twist the hair. And also be sure that when you do your cleansing on your hair, that you don't rush that process. Your healthy hair is want to start like from your scalp, so you want to make sure that you pay attention to that part and you don't like rush through it. Okay, so to do this hairstyle, I'm going to basically start with sectioning my hair, and I'm going to put a conditioner and then a oil, which is going to be my growth oil. I'll have all the products down in the description box for you guys.
Night dream of you. Love the way you smile, love the way you wink. All I want now is you. These get on deep, my body game queer. Platforms, kickers are the boys when the pictures are too foreign cars. I make rich with Charles. Take it back, baby, I'm not going home with Charles. It's hard to resist the thing that I missed for so long. Can't remember what it's like.
Now I'm just gonna go around my entire head. Like I said, it's 2025. People know exactly how to do twists most of the time. My main thing that I wanted to show you guys was just the layering process, because that's very important as you're gonna have these in your hair for, you know, several days to a week. Okay, so I'm at the top of my hair, and I wanted to pretty much tell you guys that when you get to the top of your hair, or like the front of your hair, like these two front sections, you're gonna wanna add some gel to your hair. This is gonna help it to stay in place and just keep everything looking nice and sleek. Last thing I do is just take some gel to like lock it in. Lock in everything. Make sure that you don't forget to put oil on your hair. Boom. These are my mini medium type of twists that I do sometimes. Like I said, this is definitely not something I do all the time, but these are my go-to for when I want to, you know, just have my hair out of my way, which I've been wanting for these past few weeks to not deal with my hair as much. So I've been like blow drying and doing different styles like that, and then last week I did mini twists, and I thought, oh my god, okay, I'm gonna do it again. Very protective, but also you can make this look very polished, and it only takes about 45 minutes to twist, depending on, I would say 30 to 45 minutes. You have that like drawn out process that you do on the first day so that you can not have so much work throughout the week. So I'm just gonna put the scarf on for the first day. So you can sleep in the scarf if you want, if that's like your thing. I don't like to do that. It also makes a crinkle in my twist. So I just walk around the house for like maybe 10 minutes with this on, just to keep everything, you know, in place. And once I'm done with that, I'll take it off and I'll put on this bonnet. I don't really like, to be honest, wearing bonnets a lot. I just don't like the way they look. So I wear them sometimes, but I'm going to show you guys a way that you can wear your hair at nighttime if you don't want to wear a bonnet, where it will still look good the next day. For today, that's all that I'm going to be doing. Hi guys, it's day 2, but I already put my hair up, and you guys are going to notice throughout this video that I hardly ever just like pull my twists out and wear them down. I only do that for the first day. The rest of the week I'm pushing it back into like ponytails and things like that. This is mainly my go-to style that I wear with these. So I basically just pulled it back and put some gel on my hair, and then I took my growth oil and I put that on my hair as well, like on the twist, to make them, you know, get a bit of shine and things like that. But they're still moisturized from the layering process that I did the first day, and my hair just feels and looks super healthy. I'm about to go ahead and work out, and then I'm also going to show you guys the vitamins that I'm going to be taking. So hair growth and just hair health in general doesn't just start on the scalp. I've been taking this liquid multivitamin every day. Well, I would say mostly every day. There's been some days where I have fallen off or not been able to get to taking it. I haven't really seen it helping with my hair growth, but I also do a lot of different things for my hair growth, and yeah, I just haven't been seeing anything in that manner. So I'm not gonna sit here and say that it's been growing my hair, but it does have a lot of amazing ingredients in this formula and a lot of vitamins in this formula that is definitely going to be A1 for your system and for the inside. It is literally packed with biotin, B12, all the essentials for strong hair inside out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this. You only have to take 2 tablespoons of it. So I just normally just get like a huge spoon. I don't really measure it out. And a lot of people were asking me if this was gross, and I don't think it is. I think it's actually manageable. Oh yeah, taking vitamins and just being healthy overall has always been like a quiet part of my hair routine. It's always been nourish the body, the hair will follow. That's just always been my motto, and if you've followed me for a long time, you already know. So I'm done with my workout, and now I wanted to show you guys what I'm gonna be eating. I'm making a harvest salad for dinner. So I have the salad here. Sweet potatoes, I have apples, tomatoes, lots of nuts, different nuts in there. And then I'm gonna put some blackened chicken on top, which is currently in the oven. This is typically the type of food that I eat, like healthy, nourishing food. And then I'm also going to be putting some of these pickled red onions on top. I wanted to give you guys a glimpse of that. If you guys want to see like a full video on meals that I eat, let me know down in the comment section. I worked out, I didn't do like a hard workout. I did just like Pilates. That still can cause frizz on your hair. You're sweating. But for the night, I'm gonna put some more oil on my hair. This is gonna be the oil that I'm gonna put on my hair. My hair does feel dry after like working out. Tomorrow, I probably most likely won't put any more oil on my hair. As you guys can see, day 2, there's not much going on. I don't have to really do any refreshing or anything like that. This morning, I did spray a little bit of water on my hair, but other than that, I don't have to do too much to my hair. It is nighttime, and I'm about to go get in the shower and get ready for bed. Take my hair, flip it over. So crazy. So this is what I will do. I will put my hair in this like situation here. Okay, so it is the next day, and this is the day where things tend to get a bit tricky for me because I had to persuade myself to keep this style in. So on this day, I like to make sure that there's no buildup. Do like a little scalp check-in. I like to check for dryness, and then I pretty much let it be. But I already see a little bit of buildup, if you guys can see that on the camera. And honestly, when I do see buildup, it kind of like, I mean, it doesn't make me feel like I want to keep the style for any longer because I'm usually ready to wash my hair when that happens. If you have mini twists and you're like, oh, buildup is not an issue, I'll just get it at the end of the week, then girl, that's fine. I'm just gonna put a little bit of leave-in mixed with water on my hair, set my edges a little bit. Okay, so I am pretty much ready for the day. I put my hair in this back ponytail. That is what we're going to be doing for today. That is very quick. As you guys can see, this is such a low maintenance hairstyle to put in your hair. Like if you don't like doing with your hair, you need to do something like this. So twists are like the best style to do if you're not really pulling your hair. This is what we're working with. Like I said, I'm not sure how much long, but let me know like down in the comment sections right now if you're still watching right now. Would you continue on for the rest of the week if your hair looked like mine, or would tomorrow be takedown day? Let me know, because I'm trying to consider which one to do. What are we thinking? I mean, this is what we're working with right now. So you guys can just like let me know. I'm about to finish off my work day and then probably work out again, and we'll see how my hair looks tomorrow. I took my hair down. Yeah, I'm getting way too redundant, but this is the, I guess, 5th day. Yeah, 5th day. And I had to take my hair down. Actually, this is still the 4th day, but it's just like way later in the day. So we're just gonna call it day 5. So I'm gonna be going ahead and washing my hair. I feel like that with my texture, my hair, it just doesn't look right with twists if they begin to be really fuzzy. If you have hair like mine, you probably know what I'm talking about. You can like leave a comment down below, but it just doesn't hold up well to me, and I don't like the way it starts to look. So sometimes I can make it through a week if I really push it, and then other times I'm like, okay, I don't like the way that I'm like, it looks so fuzzy and frizzy. So that was the case this week. I kind of had an idea because last week I kept my twist in for a total of like 6 days, and on that 6th day I was like, wow, and my hair was so tangled. You're gonna have to like determine based on your hair type and based on your hair in general if you can withstand doing it for a full week as far as the mini twists go. I'm not gonna put them back in. You could put them back in if you wanted to just go back to mini twists. I'm personally tired of wearing my hair in mini twists. I've had them in mini twists now for 2 weeks. So I'm going to just go to my normal style.